Man, so what's up, y'all, on this rainy, cold Friday, man? It's supposed to pour down rain all day. I already done got soaked and wet already this morning, unpacking my crusher. My ground guy, he's not here. He's on vacation. They gave me another ground guy. He don't really speak no English at all, but it's a good thing that, I do speak a little Spanish, but I understand it more than I do speak it. So that is a plus right there. That's a plus. But it is what it is. Like I say, y'all, it's just not going to be a good day today, man. I had bought a lot of spray paint, man, for a lot of shout outs. Man, this water right here with this heavy rain, it ain't going to do nothing, man, but just mess up the paint. That's all it's going to do. Just have it running. That's all. Man. It's just gonna be one of those days, y'all. One of those days, man. And then what's so crazy about it, see, it might not look like it right now, but it is dark out here, y'all. It is pretty dark out here. No sunlight whatsoever. Just a bunch of clouds, thick, heavy, dark clouds in there. Then just yesterday, it was 70 something degrees. And then today it's supposed to be in the 50s sometime. 50s most of the day. Most of the day is supposed to stay right there in the 50s. Oh man, just one of those days, y'all. We gotta work in water. We already soaked and wet already just from unpacking the crusher from this morning. Woo, it is what it is, y'all. Yeah, y'all, man, it's starting to come down hard now, man. It really is. It's coming down hard. Golly. Man, the whole back side of my shirt is soaked and wet right now. Golly, man. Woo! Like I say, y'all, it's just gonna be one of those days, man. That's all it's gonna be, one of those days. Man. Good God Almighty. Woo. Then on top of here, I got two different names I gotta sort by on here. Good God Almighty, man. Oh. Gonna be a lot of stuff on the ground I won't be able to see or anything. God, I just hope that I just don't catch a flat. Just hope I don't. Look at that, man. Water just pouring out my crusher. Y'all see it right there. It's just pouring out my crusher, man. Oh, man, I gotta tell him, man. about the buckets. Y'all hold up 1 second, man. He's been with us for a while, but it's his first time working with me. Hold up. Ooh, man. Golly, y'all. I feel like it's getting colder out there, too, for real. It really does, man. I feel like it's getting colder. Man, because I definitely don't want to get sick. That's for sure right there. Definitely don't want to get sick. Let's see, what do we got here? We got any batteries here? Nope, I don't want to see any batteries right there. Let's see what's in this trunk right quick. Maybe nothing, let's see. There's probably nothing above it, man. Get our first crush. Man, God. Alright, so while he's doing that, go over here and see if we can dig out another car. And it is coming down out here. Let's see what else we got around here. Got that barrack right here, what we call that barrack. Guess the barrack can go with that Ford. Call it the Buick bird. This rain surely is messing out my shout outs, y'all. It really is. It's messing him up. It really is. I know I gotta get back out here, man, and start helping my ground man again in the rain, y'all. In the rain. Hey, y'all, I'll be right back. If you want to help them out right quick. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, my whole back is soaking wet, man. Golly. Oh, man. I just hope I just don't get sick. God almighty. All right, y'all, hold up. Gotta keep a car, man, on top of my ground man's head, man. That way he don't get soaking wet. So at least he has some type of cover over him while I'm doing these other cars. Cause man, it's a Lulu out here, man, when you working in the rain like this, man, and you working with all this oil and gas, and everything gets slippery, everything gets greasy, you know, and it's just not a fun feeling, man. Let's just put it that way. It's not a real fun feeling at all. It's really not. I mean, but you know, somebody got to do the job, man. Somebody got to. Because what the next man won't do, somebody else will do. With no problem at all. I can't have those big old 18-wheeler tires about for now. That is a no-no, man. I just pulled out 45, almost 45 18-wheeler tires on the last place I was just at, man. Out there at the scrap yard. Man, They don't realize, man, them folks, man, they deduct almost 1 ton, man, for rubber. 1 ton. I mean, that's basically a whole car right there. That's basically a whole car. That 18-wheeler tire right there costs you 1 whole car. That's just something crazy, man. That's just something crazy there. Man, the paint peeled up off that door right there. Man, it peeled up off that joke. Look at that joke. Golly. God almighty. Alright, let's get that. Wait for that Buick bird. Get done right quick like. Y'all know what I find rather crazy, man? I enjoy working in the rain. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I enjoy working in the rain. Y'all check out the little dog right there sitting on the Grand Prix. Golly. Look like she about to do some acrobat somewhere or something. Look like she about to jump off. Golly. I see today I don't have no ugly Mustangs. Let's get this old ugly cobalt right here. Y'all hold up. Huh? My partner B, man, he thought I was grabbing the other guy's car. I was like, no, B, this yours right here, man. It's got your name on it. Boy, these boys over here, man, they be tripping sometimes. Oh, man, make sure you don't pick up the wrong car. Oh, make sure you take out the right motor. Yeah. Man, G-Money got this, y'all. He ain't no rookie at this. G-Money got this all under control, man. They just don't realize it. I am a expert at this, a professional. You heard me? All right, man, let's go ahead and throw this Buick off in there. Man, I just have to go down there and help out my ground, man. Man, I have to still show him the ropes because he don't really know too much of the motors, you know, where the make the holes at and everything, because where he's working at my old crushing spot over there at the Brazilian guys, where the cars are all mangled all up and you can't even tell what they are. The guys are always doing the dashes all the time. Them guys there. Alright, let me turn this around right quick. Give him a car. Where he can stay, where he's not soaking wet, which we are already soaking wet now, so it don't even really matter at all. Be honest with you. Hell, after a period of time of working like this over the years, you get pretty much used to it. But I gotta check it just to make sure. See anything about in there? Nope. And I don't think it had a battery. I don't think it did. I just gotta double check just to make sure. Nope, no battery's gone. And let me go ahead and punch a hole in the gas tank real quick like. That way I know all the gas is gonna be out of it. Booyah. Time to throw this back up in the crusher. See what I like about these guys over here, man. These guys over here, they take off their own converters. Don't even really have to worry about it at all. that baby down. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Toyota Skoda up there on top. Oh man. Yeah, so things do go a little bit slower when you're in this rain. It goes a little bit slow because everything is a lot more slick. Cars slide off the forks because you're moving too fast. I mean, anything could happen, so I do have to take my time. I can't rush in the rain, man. That's one thing you cannot do. You can't never rush in the rain. That is a no-no. Anything could happen. Car slip off. You know, you picking up a bundle, that bundle goes slipping off somewhere. Somebody standing beside that bundle or something or anything, and bam, man, there you go. You got a fatality on your hands. All right, this will be my first bundle in the rain. Come on, baby. I'm about to give you some of that go-go juice. Some of that go-go juice, baby. Go-go juice. First bundle for the motor load. Got 12 more to go with motors. And then 15 without motors, then another 15 without motors. Yeah, some end up doing these Tahoes last, man, because I know on two Tahoes and a Chevy truck, I gotta pull the motor out of, but I'm not gonna do it out here in this rain, so I'm just gonna set these to the side and get these on get these when it's not raining. That way I can flip them over, bam, take off the body, boom. You know what I'm saying? Definitely got to get a different view when I do these two right here. Actually, three when I do the three. All right, let's go ahead and get the Honda right quick, like. Oh no, not my book. It's a good thing they marked them yesterday before they tried to mark them today, because the paint it's not gonna really stick at all, man. It's just gonna run like water. Then you just basically have some little bitty lines of paint with paint trails all around it. Just look mighty ugly. Mighty ugly it looks. Oh man. Might be taking out the radiators too. I just done crushed everything. God almighty. He gonna probably be like, damn, G, what happened, man? You better take out the radiator. I'll be like, man, my bad, man. I forgot, dude. I forgot, man. That's how I be sometimes, man, because most of these guys that I do crush, man, they just leave the radiators off and they be like, no, G, leave them up off in there, man. That's just more weight, baby. I'm like, yeah, I already know, man. It's more and more weight, man. The more weight, the merrier. Like I say, it's a really good thing, man. He got all his converters already taken off. It's a very good thing. Hold up a second. Stepping out in the rain, looking for batteries, and it is pouring down out here. buying a whole bunch of baby Jordans. That's what I be talking about. That's the money right there. That's money talking. Man, getting soaking wet, y'all. Just to find that money, man. That's money. Jordan baby shoes is always going to be worth money in those. Always. No matter where you go, no matter what you do, they're going to always be worth money. All babies, mainly, majority, 99% of babies, 99% of babies wear Jordan baby shoes. And I have so many collections of them. I have so many, man. And I sell them like hotcakes. I sell these things just like hotcakes, man. As soon as I get them, take them home, clean them up real good, bam, they are gone like 10 minutes later. They are gone just like that. It don't matter how many pairs I have. It don't even matter. I mean, they would disappear. I mean, it's like everybody knows that I'm always selling them over there in my apartments because I sell them to a lot of Hispanic ladies. I sell them to any and everybody. You know, you want your baby looking good, you know what I'm saying, with some fresh, almost brand new baby shoes. Hold on, y'all. Man, I wish it would actually stop raining, y'all, so that I can actually do some shout outs, man. Good God almighty. Man, the paint won't even stick to the car right now. Not as much as it's raining like this, it will not even stick. Only thing is just gonna smear and look tacky. It's gonna look real tacky. My names have to look good when I do my shout outs. Just can't have anything up there, man. Just like the product that you buy. You want the best product that you could buy with money, right? There you go, right there. All right, let's go over here right quick and dig out one more car right quick. One more car in this rain. Because I'm sliding everywhere. I mean, this loader, my ass in my loader is fishtail hard. So I have to like take it easy. I just can't just burn out. Oh man, I got a Toyota Celica hatchback at that, man, right there. A hatchback. Man. Oh, there goes a Jeep Liberty right there. Celica here. Put that with that with the Honda and that Como. All right, let's go back out here in the rain. Let's go put some batteries. I do have to get down and help my grandman because he don't know everything. Like I say, he's just used to having cars, no motors in them. Oh, that's a no motor, so he can still go up, but it won't go with this one right here. Got an old Subaru Forcetta right there. I haven't seen one down. I haven't seen one of those in a while. I might have to put the taillights on those, man. Yeah, I think I might have to put the taillights on them right there. That might be worth some money too. If I don't end up running them over trying to get to this one car right here. These boys right here, they just flip over any and everything. They just flip it over. God almighty, come on. I don't want both cars. I just want one car, not both cars. God almighty. Man, time to just grab it any type of way and get it up out of there. If it don't stop raining, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, man, this place right here gonna look like a swimming pool if it does not stop raining. I mean, I got big, deep puddles everywhere. what it is. I'm not even complaining about nothing at all. Not even complaining, not one bit. Man, y'all look at that, man. It is really coming down. Look at that. Man, it is coming down all day like this, y'all. Man, it is coming down harder and harder. I gotta hurry up and get my grandman another car before he gets soaked in a matter of seconds. It doesn't take that long to get soaked out here, man, especially when you don't have no type of cover at all. Man, it is coming down. We already took the battery out of that one there, so we're not worried about that one. Let's bust a hole in the gas tank. Boom, bang, bang. Be done with it. Bust a hole in that one there. Let's just go ahead and throw it up off in there because I don't need to take nothing up off of here. Everything's already been taken off. The main thing these guys want off are the converters. That is the main thing they really want. Busted that whole tire right there like it was nothing. Woo, man. I think maybe it may have stopped just for a couple of minutes, it seemed like. I done got paint smeared all on my damn stuff. I mean, not paint, but mud. Second motor bundle. I'll get back at y'all, man. Peace.